cousin,
Catalea.
Now let's get started. At the end of the video, whoever loses needs to put their
Whole head in the Orbeez box.
The first thing we need to find is a bouncy ball. Let's get started.
Let's find the ball.
Ooh,
I found it! Yay!
same! I found it! Woo!
It's so bouncy.
I know.
It's so heavy.
Whoa.
Beep, 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 beep.
What color did you find? Oh, purple. I found a red one.
Okay, guys, so let's find the LOL doll.
I found it! Oh.
Ah.
I found it!
I didn't. It looks like the pet. That's so funny.
Now let's find a Num Num lipstick.
Okay, this is pretty hard. What is it? It's so hard.
I found a fidget spinner.
Not technically what we need. I found it! It's here.
Aw.
Num 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 num. Okay, so let's find the LOL pet. I found it. Oh, no.
So far she has 2 points and I have only 1.
Okay, this is.
I found it!
Ah, come on! Where's mine? Oh. I found it.
Now I have 2 and she has 2. It's tied. Now we need to find the LOL doll bottle.
Hard to find it. So far, she has 2 now, and I have 2. Oh, that's actually pretty hard to find. I think we're going to stay here forever to find it. Oh my.
Ah, I found the Num Num.
I found a stress ball. I found it!
Oh, man, I couldn't find it.
I guess I have 3. Let's find the stress ball.
I found it!
Ah, come on! Where's mine?
It's so hard. Come on, find yours. Hey, look, the LOL.
Yeah, I don't really care. I need the stress ball. Found it! Ugh. Oh, mine is soft.
Mine is
It
soft
feels
here,
like
but hard.
clay. It feels like clay. What's in here?
Oh, mine is clay and yours has sugar. Now we need to find the fidget spinner.
I found it!
So did I. I have a red one and she has a pink one.
I won, which means she lost and she needs to put her head in the Orbeez box.
Okay, I guess I need to put my head in now. Oh, I hope it's hot.
Oh, there she goes! There's an Orbeez in here. Wait, let me see your other ear. No, there's not.
Oh my god, that was so cool.
Guys, I'm gonna put my head in because I really want to lose. My forehead.
Come on, I went.
Okay.
This challenge was so much fun even though I lost. Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye!